Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanyuzi Betty, but you can still call me to Nyunyu. As I told you in my introduction video, we're going to be talking about various Google capabilities and applications and how to use them in daily life. Today, we are going to talk about PowerPoint and specifically the terminologies used in PowerPoint. We want to know how and which terminologies we commonly use in PowerPoint. So here we go. Let me open up my work. So we are going to open up our work and begin talking about different terminologies we use in PowerPoint. Here is our work, and the first terminology is a slide. When you talk of a slide, we simply mean a single page in a presentation. For example, this is a slide. It is one page. Or that one is that is a slide. So when we say a slide, we are just talking about a single page in a presentation. The second term we commonly use is the slide master. The slide master, let's see how it works and what it means. A slide master is a template that controls the overall design and layout of the slides. For example, I have two types of layout in my work. The first one is similar to the last one, and then the middle ones are also of the same layout. So let us see how the slide master works. Come and click on your first slide. You go to view, click on slide master, then you highlight. After highlighting, you go home. Those are the changes. I want to make changes in my heading. Maybe bold, you underline, then you change the font. Maybe let me use this Algerian. I also change the size. That one is too big. I want it to be in a single line. I also change the size. The font size is already in capital, it is already in uppercase. Uppercase, then italics. After making the changes you're interested in, you go back to slide master and close. When you close, it will make automatic changes in the slides that have the same layout. As I said, my first page and the last page have the same layout. So it made changes for only the pages with the same layout. For example, this is the first page and this is the last page. Since they had the same layout, it changed their headings automatically, and that's why they look alike. So that is how the slide master works. If you want to change, maybe you use slide master for the second time. You come to view, select slide master, then highlight. You come home for creating changes. I will say maybe I want to bold. I don't want to okay, let me also underline. Then I change the case. I'll change my case to uppercase as well. After changing, I'll also change the order. Let me see. We can choose any other different heading. Maybe this one. We choose. After choosing, you convert it to italics. And then you come back to slide master. You close. Changes will have been done for all the slides that have the same layout. So that is how we use the slide master, and that is what it simply means. The third common term in PowerPoint is the layout. When we talk of the layout, it is the arrangement of elements on a slide. For example, this is the layout of my work. The heading is underlined and the other the content that follows my heading is in that order. So that is my work layout. Generally, the way your work is organized on a certain slide. The other common point we use in PowerPoint is the other common term we use is the transition. The transition is simply the virtual or the visual effect that occurs when moving from one slide to another. Let's see, maybe we use this second. So the other term we are talking about is the transition. It is simply you come and click on transitions. After clicking, you select any of your choice, but for me, I'll use fade. So when you select it, it will simply show you, when you click in it, it shows you the slide for the one you you're in. So that is simply transition. The other common term is animation. In PowerPoint presentation, animation is also another common term we use. And animation is simply effects applied to an individual element on a slide, like text. So let's use an example. You come back home. We're talking of animations. You're going to use this very slide. Come and highlight your heading. Let's say we are going to use for fed. Then you outline your text. You come and choose any other, let's say fly in. So that is simply what we call animation. The first animation I use for the heading is different from the one I'm using on the text below the heading. We come to the third one, maybe we use a different one. We also come to animation, highlight this, use appear, and then we highlight this, we use, let's choose another, maybe we choose split. That is how animation works. You're applying effects on individual elements on a slide. I have two elements, that is the heading and the body. For the heading, I used a different element, and for the text, I used another different element. So that is what I mean when we are talking about the animations. And the other common terminology, the slideshow. Slideshow is a presentation mode where slides are displayed to an audience. If you want to display your presentation to an audience, you use that, you use the slideshow. Let's see how it works. So the slideshow simply works in this format, as we did in our previous terminology when we were talking about animations. We selected different animations according to different slides. Let's start with our second slide. We are now going to show our presentation to an audience. So you click on the slide you want to present to a given audience. You bring your cursor and click on this slideshow. After clicking on it, bring your cursor and click. It will bring work according to the animation you used in a given slide. So in the animation I used, that was the format I used for animations. Then we go to another one. The other one I used a different animation as well. So that is how you show your work to an audience. And if you're done presenting your work to an audience and you want to return to your work, you just press the escape key and you return straight to your work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your comments are very important to me. in that they help me in improving what I haven't done and knowing what I'm still lacking in my work. Thank you.